Okay, students, now we will do small poem that is Animal. Okay, now written by whom? Walt Whitman in 1819 to 1892. A major figure in early American poet. In an age when all poetry was rhymed and metric, Whitman made a break with tradition and wrote a revolutionary new kind of poetry in free verse. He was a non-conformist in all respect, including his social life. The poet tells us that he feels more at home with animals than human, whom he finds complicated and false. Now here the poet says that by mistakenly God has made the author a human. Now this author, he wanted to become a animal. He liked to stay with animals, and he told that animals are very nice. They are more nice, more faithful, more simple than the human beings. Human beings are very complicated. Complicated means you are knowing, no? And human beings are false in their nature, whereas animals have true characters. Okay, animal have love in them and they show love to the human beings, but human beings, they don't care. Now I read the last poem for you. I think I could turn and live with animals. So the author is telling, I am human, but I think God might have, or God could made me animal and I could live with animals. Okay. They are so placid. Placid means here what? They do not get upset easily. Animals are very happy persons. Animals are very kind, kind, and they are not becoming upset so easily. They are self-contained. Animals are very self-contained, means they don't want anything. I stand and look at them long and long. That means the author stand or play with the animals for very long time, or he like to spend hours and hours with the animals. They do not sweat and whim around their condition. Here the author says that the animals, they do not complain about the situation in which they are staying. They are satisfied with the living conditions. They do not lie awake in the dark and weep for their sin. Animals, they do not make mistakes, or they do not fight with each other, or animals, they do not make any sin, or they do not cry for their sin. But we human beings, we make lot of sins and we fight with each other. Yes? Then next line. They do not make me sick discussing their duty to God. That means the animals, they don't complain about their living condition, or they don't discuss their bad situation to God. Now see, the cow, the buffalo, they do lot of work in the field. Do they complain to God that we are doing so much work in the day, in the hot summer days? No, no. Then next line. Not one is dissatisfied. Not one is demented with the mania of owning things. That means all animals are satisfied and no animals are mad like human beings. Whatever things they are having, they are satisfied with that, and they don't want all these material things what we are having in our houses. In our houses we are having lot of things, na? Those things the animal don't want. Then go next line. Not one kneel to another, not to his kind that lived thousands of years ago. That means animals, they don't pray to God, or they don't pray to their other animals. Not one is respectable or unhappy over the whole world. That means animals are sometimes not respected by the human beings. Okay? What is that? Not one is respectable or unhappy over the whole world. That means they are happy with their conditions. So they show their relation to me and I accept them. That means the poet says, or the poet is trying to tell, that I have developed such a relation with the animals that I respect them and they also accept me and they also respect me. We also have to respect animals, children. We have to take care of them. Okay? Because each animal or each human being has to be given love and be taken care of them. Then, them plainly in their position. Now, the above line, they bring me tokens of myself, they events, them plainly in their positions. That means they don't like to have lots of things like us. Okay? Token here means virtues like innocence, simplicity. They live very simple life. Okay? They don't want what the human beings like. Yes, we human being like lot of things in our house, but the animals are very innocent. They are having very simple life. Did I pass that way huge times ago and neglectedly drop them? Whenever I go that animals, that way means towards the animals, I should not neglect them. Okay? I should not neglect them. That means the author is in much in much attached to the animals. Okay? Next time, next lesson we'll see